Welcome to Type C Tech Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing the LG 32QN600. And as always, if at any point during the video you want to check out this exact same monitor, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada. But let's jump into it. Alright, so this is a 32-inch, and this is definitely a more productivity-oriented monitor for a really good price. Right away, it's pretty heavier than quite a lot of monitors that I review, even the 32-inch ones. And this does open from the side. Now, even though this is not a gaming-oriented monitor, this actually has a higher refresh rate than normal monitors, which are about 60 hertz. This is 75. So it'll be a little bit nicer, a little bit smoother on just desktop workflow stuff. And it has AMD FreeSync in it, which is crazy because it's not a gaming monitor. But if you wanted to use it for gaming, it has FreeSync. Okay, so it's packaged like this. I think I might have opened it upside down. Okay, so open it from this side. There it is. Now, I got the non-height adjustable version, and in the full review, I'm going to tell you why. So definitely look out for the full review. This is just going to be the unboxing and initial impressions today, but definitely don't go for the height adjustable one, and look out for the review for why. Okay, so right in the box, we have a similar stand that I really enjoyed on another LG ultrawide. Cannot remember, it was the WN 34-inch. This one, we're definitely gonna be looking out for ports. I don't know a whole lot about it, but I think it's 250 bucks for a 32-inch. All right, so here is the stand, all a matte black. It looks very nice. This is all metal right here, very strong. That cannot be hand tightened. I've used this stand before. You will need an actual flat head to put that in. Now here is the non-height adjustable version, which honestly, from feeling it right away, it doesn't feel like it's cheaper than the height adjustable version, which some companies do. They make the stands cheaper rather than not just having the height adjustability, but this one feels pretty good. There we go. It has kind of a direction to it, so it's kind of like a brushed, it's supposed to be like brushed black aluminum, but it's plastic. But it does feel nice, and all of this is metal, and I'm pretty sure this just clips in, which would be cool, because there's no screws anywhere. So that's really awesome. Okay, then lastly, this is probably the power brick. Like some LG monitors, you get a loose disc, which is always weird. This is the power. You then get an HDMI and a DisplayPort cable and manual warranty card, stuff like that. Okay, so this is how you put the stand together. Literally just put it in there, flip this up, and then hand tighten it, and then use a flat head on it, because this hand tightener is not enough to just hand tighten it. I've done that a few times, I think 2 times with an LG monitor, and it was like wobbling. I was like, wow, this stand is terrible. But actually, as you can see, this hand tightener, it just bends. It won't let you tighten it enough. If you get one of these, tighten it right up and it's good. Now that we have the stand ready, let's get the actual monitor, which you guys have been waiting for, and probably skipped ahead to this point to see. There it is. Oh, it is heavy. I was not expecting it to be that heavy. Let's clip the stand in. This is just a clip-in one, which is really nice. So you just put it in, and then bam, right there, it's in. This thing is insanely heavy, way heavier than I was expecting. And there it is. Get to the back, we're gonna peel this off right here. All right, right off the back, from the back, it is very flat. I'm used to curved monitors. However, it looks very clean. Nothing too crazy, but that's not the purpose of this monitor, is it? It's value and it's performance. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much just, it looks good. It's pretty plain, but in kind of a minimalistic good way. So let's get this stuff plugged in and see how it looks. Now it's all hooked up, let's get a first impressions. Do keep in mind there's lights everywhere, but let's turn it on. I'm very excited. Now this is controlled, like most LGs, on the bottom right here with the single toggle switch, which is very, very good. Okay, right off the bat, it's very big. And I'll also be doing a video very shortly comparing a 34-inch ultrawide and a 32 16:9 to show you which is better for productivity. But let's go through this. First of all, the colors look really good right off the bat. First thing we're gonna do is change the settings in NVIDIA control panel, or this would be just like normal display settings. So it's running 1440p, we're gonna change it to 60 hertz, and we do have an output of 10 bits. So I think this is an 8-bit panel plus frame rate control to make this be able to output 1.07 billion colors or 10 bits of color. Now that everything is set to what I want it to be, I will say right off the bat, 75 hertz, if you are used to a normal display of 60 hertz, this is gonna be a massive jump for you. Everything just on your desktop is a lot smoother, but let's go through it. Okay, the menu system is one of the best, if not the best. So going into settings, let's turn up the brightness 100%. It's already very bright right now. The matte display is very, very nice. That gets very bright, especially being a 32-inch. the brightness is kind of feels like even more because it's so big. For how much light's in the room, I'm seeing no reflections right now. Now it also has volume. I'm not sure if this has built-in speakers. Let's go down to picture settings. So right off the bat, you have custom, which you can customize anything you want. Vivid, HDR effect, reader, which is for reading at nighttime or if you're doing work at night. Cinema, FPS for gaming, RTS again for gaming, and color weakness, which is for people that are red and green colorblind. I'm just gonna keep this in custom. Okay, but overall, right now, just looking at it, the colors look amazing. Super vibrant. The brightness is really good. Having this opening, check the colors. I'm seeing a little bit of banding, but really not that much. For the price of this thing, 250 bucks, and the brightness, this is something that you could legitimately video edit on or do coding, normal office work, and it's a display that you could also have a really premium time, like if you're watching Netflix when you're done working or using this as a school monitor. There's a ton of real estate here. But yeah, overall, I am super excited to be using this, especially since it's at 75 hertz, which is overkill, but it makes it a luxurious experience. Again, guys, if you want to check out this monitor, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada, and definitely look out for the full review that's coming very, very soon. And if you do want to get it now and not wait for the review, don't get the height adjustable version and then watch my review when it comes out, and I will tell you what you should do after getting the non-height adjustable version, because it's very crucial that you do that. It's not super crucial, it's just nicer and it's fun and you'll enjoy it. This was Type C Tech Reviews. If you guys enjoy this video and it helped you out, help me out and throw a like below. And if you enjoy monitor reviews, gaming monitor reviews, or anything revolving around screens that are monitors, definitely consider subscribing to Type C Tech Reviews. But this was Type C Tech Reviews, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Type C Tech Reviews out. That's what I'm gonna say as the outro.